It's like the dark ages. That's how one business owner in St. Anne described the recent disruption to telecommunication services in some sections of the parish. Friday's massive fire at Flo's distribution center in Brownstown left about 10,000 customers without mobile, landline, internet and banking services. TVJ's Kalisha Williams has the update.
Many Jamaicans have been viewing holiday wishes from family and friends on social media. But for several residents in St. Anne, it may take some time before they join the merriment. It's been 5 days since a fire destroyed Flo's distribution center. Some persons are now able to send and receive calls and texts on their mobile devices. Others are yet to get back mobile, landline, internet and banking services.
We have suffered a setback right into this festive season.
None of the remittance services, ATMs or banks could function from Friday morning. Customers today are traveling with their credit cards and debit cards. People that are getting paid now, monies are being deposited directly to their account. People going into the ATM machines to pull money to buy, groceries or goods or whatever the case may be, were unable to do so.
Newton Harris is the manager of House of Hardware Limited.
It was like we're in the dark ages on Friday and on the whole weekend in the lead up to Christmas week. The banks even had to close early. Chaotic. No ATMs, no cash in the town. It was terrible.
And if full service is not restored quickly,
the hardware business really does well before the Christmas when people fix up and not so much in the new year. But we still have customers who come in. We will be negatively affected, and we're also concerned about the knock-on effects for the rest of the town.
Over at the distribution center, hope. Workmen doing everything possible to restore service.
Well, I have to lift my hats off to Flo for the intensity that they have given this situation in Brownstown. They have been working non-stop from Friday through Friday night, Saturday night, Sunday night and today.
But for residents,
it would be good, even at this stage, if Flo would have informed the residents in phase when we would be able to get back service.
Kalisha Williams, TVJ News.